Welcome, let's start creating our pagination in this lesson. This will be easy, that's not that difficult. We want to create a variable page equal to is set get page. This is ternary if condition. So this is a page, this is variable, new variable, and query string. We're gonna make it. We're gonna check if it's set page. This is a question. We're gonna check if the page is set. We're gonna set the same value that already have, otherwise we're gonna make it 1. Second, per page equal to is set. We're gonna also check if it's set get per page and we're gonna check again. We have another condition here. We have another condition in here. I'm gonna say get per page less than or equal to 50 question mark. I'm gonna explain this per page, otherwise set it to 5. So this, what this line of code means, we're gonna check if we have per page in our query string in here, per page like this one. Like this one, per page like this one in here per page. We're gonna check first if we have this variable and query string, and we're gonna also check if it's less than or equal to 50. If this condition is true, we're gonna set the variable, otherwise we're gonna set it to 5. Now we need to start this start. We're gonna use it in our SQL here condition. We're gonna edit this one. We're gonna add limit to it. So this limit will start with this variable called start. So this start, we need condition if page greater than 1. Okay, question mark. We're gonna make the calculation here, page multiplied by per page, per page minus per page, otherwise equal to 0. So we make this calculation here. We're gonna check first if per page page greater than 1, then we'll make the calculation here, page multiplied by per page, we minus per page, otherwise we're gonna set it to 0. Now we will use this start in here. We're gonna make a limit, because this is, we're gonna limit the result that we are getting from the database. So we need here double quotes, periods, then we're gonna give it start variable, and also we're gonna give it here the per page. Now what we need also, we have to know how many results, how many records we have in the database. So to check how many results that we have in the database, we're gonna create a variable called total. This total will equal to db, because we need a query. We're gonna select start from our database. We can chain also because we only want the number of records. I'm gonna say num rows. Now if we echo out this result, this should be select star from. Now we get 10 records. Now we have the total number of rows in here. Now we need to know how many pages equal to total divided by per page. Let's echo out this number and see how many results we got. We got 2. But if we say page equal to 5 and per page equal to, let's say, 3 or 5, we will get the result in here. But sometimes this will not give us the exact number. This will give us maybe a decimal value, so we need the ceil function. And this ceil function will round numbers to nearest integer, so we will get only integer value, no decimal numbers. So now we need the for loop here after the end table. We will create a center tag and ul li href. Let's give it number 1. So this is, we're gonna give it class of pagination because it's a bootstrap. Let's check if this one work. So we have number 1 now. Let's give it we need the loop here. Let's make the loop first. Create PHP tag and for loop I equal to 1 because we want to start from 1. I less than or equal to pages that we created. I plus plus. This will loop through our we will end for here. So now let's display I between this a tag php echo I, and let's check now. We have 2 results in here, 1 and 2, because we displayed only 5 results of 10. We have 10 records. So now even if we click now, nothing work. We're gonna give it the values in here. Pages equal to php, we close, we will display I in here. Let's refresh. Now if we click number 2, this 2 result will display 1 and 2. I forgot to fix this. The get should be written in this way. So now if we refresh the page, and click number 1 and 2, I think everything is working. So I didn't pay attention for this variable. This should be written the same way as this one. Apologize for this. Now our pagination is working. If we check, click 1 and 2, but we want to also add in here per page, right? So and per page equal to PHP echo. Where we're gonna get this per page? We have already per page here. So let's just display, let's just echo out per page in here. If we refresh the page now and click 2, we get 5 of, we get the page 1 and per page equal to 5. We got all the results in here. Now we can add as many records as we want. This will be even faster because only 5 results will be displayed. This will not take too long. So we're done with this pagination now, and see you in the next lesson.